What's going on, everybody? We got another hard reset for you. Today we are doing the Cricut Icon 2026. If you have one of these and you have a pattern or a password that you forgot what it is and you have to do a hard reset, I'll show you how to do that. Just remember, when you do a hard reset, you will delete all the data off the phone. So if you have anything important on this, it's going to get deleted. So just keep that in mind when you're doing this. And also, if you haven't yet, subscribe. We have a ton more of these hard resets and teardowns coming up. So if there's anything specific you want to see, just drop a comment and we'll try to get that up for you. But let's get into this guy right here. First thing we want to do is make sure that it's off, and in this case it is. You have your volume up, volume down, and power button, and what we want to do is we want to hold the volume down and then hold power, and then once the phone turns on, you can let go of power but keep holding volume up. So I'm going to start by holding volume up, then I'll hold power. Once the phone is on, I let go of power, but I keep holding volume up. And then it gives us this option for recovery. We want to, volume up is to select, so we select recovery, and then volume down is to confirm. And then so we hit volume down on the recovery screen. It takes a second to kick in. And then we get the no command screen. To get past this, you want to hold power and tap volume up and then let go really quick. So I'm holding power, I tap volume up, and then I let go of both buttons really quick. And then we want to use the volume buttons to scroll, the power button to select, and we want to scroll down to wipe data factory reset, confirm, it's deleting, and it's done. So now we can either reboot or power off. In this case, I'm just going to power the phone off. But if you reboot it, it just loads to the welcome screen, and you can navigate the phone back to the home screen and set it up like it was new. So that is how we do a hard reset on a Cricut Icon 2026. If you guys have any questions or comments, feel free to let us know. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.